Surprisingly, it's not hot at all. Like it's around 24, 25. Like that's the temperature, and that's why it's right after when I exited Mumbai. It was all foggy and it was so like a magical place. So riding करने में भी इसमें ही मज़ा आता है. Like temperature between 20 and 30, it's like the perfect rider's weather. So let's continue with the journey, continue the ride. So far it's been amazing as usual. And so many riders, like I can see like so many riders heading towards the north. अच्छा लगता है मतलब ऐसा when you see a lot of fellow bikers and riders, or whether be it's kind of like I said, it's very very pleasant up till now. अभी 20 degrees दिखा रहा है, so which is good, and it's all foggy, not smoggy but foggy. So that again, it's like a cherry on top of the cake when it comes to riding. And we have crossed 12,000 kilometers on Marcos. I mean, so far it's been an amazing journey with him. Like मैंने काफ़ी बार बोल चुका है, I mean, he has exceeded my expectation when it comes to the reputation I had from my point of view of the Himalayan, and Magnus को बेच के, I mean, even though initially I was kind of missing him, he just Marcos, he just made sure that I am not missing the Super Meteor, and I don't even regret a bit like going for him. So, and another important thing is that he has kind of made me a better rider. And not just we have traveled a lot, but as a rider also he has given me that confidence, and he had always made sure that I am safe, and at the same time I enjoy the journey where we are, where he is taking me or wherever I want to go. So उस हिसाब से I am totally happy, and for the price that you're paying for this machine, I mean, it's totally worth it. It's like every other machine. Even if you buy a 25-30 lakh BMW GSA, you will end up having some sort of plus and minus in that as well. So in that sense, थोड़ा बहुत issues say initially, but what else you can ask for when it comes to a 3.5 lakh motorcycle? I mean, वो हिसाब से they have given a lot, so I have no complaints. But I'll be sharing a detailed what you say in terms of my thoughts and everything in a separate video where I'll be talking about the accessories that I've installed. So उसमें I'm not like a reviewer, but I'll just ऊपर नीचे I'll just try to talk a little bit about my experience so far with Marcos थोड़ा बहुत. So stay tuned for that video as well, and keep supporting. थोड़ा बहुत हिचकिचा है मैं वहाँ पे, so just keep supporting and keep pouring your love, because I know that I'm not like a usual vlogger or a motor vlogger sort of this thing, but oh, look at these roads. ये वाला patch, it's very dangerous. It's better two-wheelers avoid these sort of patches. I don't know why they have kept it like that, but it's very very dangerous. Balance पूरा बिगड़ जाता है मतलब when you are riding on that. So yeah, let's what I was saying is just about the video, and keep supporting, keep sharing your love. Like what I've understood and what many people think is like motor vlogging is अरे ये तो बस कैमरा निकाल के बस ऐसे ही बक बक करना है. I mean it's not like that. I mean only when you start taking it seriously you'll realize how much tough it is when it comes to tough as in it's just as challenging as any other job that you're doing or any other task that you do. It's not like you just have to keep blabbering anything. इससे कुछ नहीं होता है. I mean, you have to make sure that you're adding some value to whatever you are capturing, whatever you are talking. I'm not a pro by the way, but still जितना मेरे हिसाब से I know that's what I will try to do and that's what I feel motor vlogging is all about. So वो हिसाब से I still have a long way to go, but धीरे धीरे we'll reach there. Like initially I know the video was not good, then the audio had to come up with a better audio, and then the visuals also have to add an ND filter to capture more quality footage and much better looking footage. So ऐसे छोटे छोटे steps है when it comes to making sure you have the right motor vlogging outcome. The sun is like hitting right on my face. And not all bikers, I mean the biking culture is not that big as in the US or in North America. So many of these bikers, they are not still used to the or doesn't know about the biker's handshake. So even though sometimes I end up being a puppet, chalega. I mean, I mean that community and that culture is like slowly developing. So we'll be there. We'll be there. It's not a bad thing to what do you say, adapt in the community of motorcycling, or what you call a brotherhood of motorcycling. Like I to give that bikers handshake whenever I see any biker, irrespective of the brand. It's not about the brand. It's about that mindset of being a good rider and the mindset of including yourself into that motorcycling community. Just ahead we'll get a nice visual if our fog hai to. Lots of dogs on this side, I mean, but they don't do any harm. They're just good doggies. That sunlight.